Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna let you know whether there's a feature available to lock or freeze your card within the Barclaycard app or not. Now many credit card app including the Barclaycard app offer the ability to lock or freeze your card as a security feature. This allows you to temporarily prevent any transaction from being made with your card if you suspect it and has been lost, stolen or damage. Now here's how you can do it. First thing, you have to go and log in into your Barclay account. For that, you can go ahead and open up an application or use a web browser. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. For that, type in barclaycard.co.uk. It's going to take you to the official page, and here you could go and look for a section of the app that is dedicated to card management or card settings. These section might be labeled as card control, manage card, security settings, or something similar. And within the card management section, you should find an option to lock or freeze your card, and these options might be prominently displayed or located within the sub menu. You could go ahead and look for a toggle switch or button labeled as lock card, and then you could go ahead and tap on the toggle switch or button to lock or freeze your card. You may be prompted to confirm your action before proceeding as well. After locking or freezing your card, you should receive a confirmation within the app. This may include the message confirming that your card has been successfully locked, and if you need to use your card, you can usually return to the same section of the app to unlock it. You can follow the same steps but toggle the switch or button to unlock your card instead. So that's how you can lock or freeze your card within the Barclaycard app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.